Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Gemini. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and for your daily and love energies, and I'll be picking few cards from the other deck to get clarity over your situation, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. Let us see what is coming up for your Gemini. The Chariot, Knight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, the Magician, Gemini. With these cards, I feel you are having plans to move to a different city, or you may be changing your residence, or moving out to a different country also for some of you all. So that may be the energy here, and you have everything. You have you are in a good position in your life. How things are going professionally in your life, and you are happy about it. You feel you have that skill and ability to handle any situation. You feel that confidence in you, and you are able to do anything you want today, but you are feeling helpless due to some kind of situation, guys. This may be regarding your relationship. You feel your person is moving away from you, and you are really worried about that. You are having everything, but you are really worried because this person you love, maybe they are moving away from you, or this may be their energy towards you. They may feel that you are moving away from them, that they are isolating themselves from you, and you feel sleepless because of that. Very disturbed, very stressed. You're feeling very stressed and disturbed because of this energy, guys. So what may be the reason for maybe some kind of what to say in your relationship? Maybe it is due to some arguments based on some presumptions. Those presumptions may be wrong sometimes for some of you all. Gemini, let us pick few cards to find out what is the reason for the sleeplessness. This may be your person's energy in this relationship, or your energy, guys. Ring, choices, Gemini. With these cards, I feel some important information is going to come towards you, some kind of announcement. This may be from your person. They are coming with some kind of announcement, and you feel that you are working hard to overcome the situation, to overcome the stress, and you are facing your situation with ready to jump into this fight, guys, and you are ready to face any kind of challenges. maybe in this relationship, or maybe this may be concerning your work. You want to put your total effort to reach your goals, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be having some kind of doubts, that may be towards your person or towards your life. Some kind of uncertainty or confusions may be there, but you are, I feel, going to overcome it, and you are going to overcome it with some important message or announcement coming your way, guys. So this negative energies are going to come to a pass, and you are going to make your what to say make your choice. So whatever option you want to have in life, you are taking up. So something good is coming out of it. Maybe it may lead you towards a commitment, guys. With this person, you may get an understanding with this person, and you may go into a committed life with this person, but the choice is in your hands, guys. It is the time for you to consider your options from a different perspective, from a new perspective. Get an understanding about your situation, and you have to decide. In this relationship, you may feel that harmony, balance, good attraction in your relationship, and you may have that equality between both of you all, between your families and your status. So you feel very connected to this person, but there may be few doubts regarding your situations or your person, but you're getting some important announcements today that is going to change these doubts, guys, for some of you all maybe, and it may lead you towards a committed relationship, towards a long-term relationship. So that is the energy with these cards. I'll be picking one card for angels guidance message, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today in our current situation. Maybe for some of you all are feeling sleepless over this connection. You are in dilemma, you don't know what to do. Let us see what the angels are guiding us to do. Speak from the heart. So this is what the angels are trying to tell us, guys, to overcome our doubts, whatever we have in our mind. It is the time for us to open our heart to communication, guys, with this person, with whomever you're in relationship with, or if it is with someone else in your life, maybe someone from your work that is causing stress. So you need to open your heart and speak honestly whatever you feel about the situation. At the same time, you should also listen to the other person's views and suggestions in a particular situation, their feelings and emotions. When you do that, you will come to a clear understanding, and you will share your authentic self with the other person. When you do that, you just open your heart to truth, guys, and happiness. So the other person will honestly know what is there in your mind, and you will also honestly know what is in their mind. So when you do that, you are just honoring the other person and your relationship. So Gemini, the angels are guiding us for a honest, truthful communication, guys, to overcome your stress and this dilemma. So that is the reading for today, Gemini. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.